In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Divi theme. We are also going to look at some of the most important features of the theme. You can get the Divi theme at elegantthemes.com. It's not a free theme, but it's very, very powerful with lots of features and it's not very expensive. And also you can build as many websites as you want with it. If you check the pricing, it's either $89 a year or $249 for a lifetime access. And with the subscription, you also get access to not just the Divi theme, but also the extra theme, which is kind of a magazine type theme. And you will also have access to the Bloom plugin and the Monarch plugin. The Bloom is an email marketing plugin. You can create pop-ups, subscription forms, and you can also connect it with lots of email marketing services like MailChimp, GetResponse, Sendinblue, etc. And Monarch is basically a social media plugin. You can create follow and share buttons on your pages with lots of features. So I think this is one of the best priced WordPress theme out there, and it's also important that you can build unlimited websites with it. Okay, some of the premium themes limit the use. You can use it on one domain or two or five, but it's very rare that you can use a premium build as many websites as you want. And also, if you are working for clients, you can also build websites with Divi for your clients. So if you want to download Divi, if you purchased it, you can just log in and go to Account, My Downloads, and then you can download. And once downloaded, just go back to your dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, add new theme, upload, and click Install Now. Once it's installed, just click Activate, and now Divi is activated on your website, and you can also see a Divi option here. The first thing you want to do is go to Divi, Theme Options, and go to Updates. Here, add your username, and this is the username that you use on the elegantthemes.com website. And you need an API key. You can find and create an API key here under Account, Username and API key. And if you scroll down the bottom of the page, you can generate an API key. I'll just quickly grab the URL of my website and add it as a label. It doesn't really matter. You can name the label any way you want. This is the most important thing, the API key, and just copy it and go back and paste it here and click Save Changes. And if you do this, you will be able to update Divi from your Appearance, Themes, and here you will be able to see if there is an update for the theme. If you want, you can enable auto updates, and Divi will be updated automatically. So let's go back to the Divi theme options. So here, the general tab, you can upload a logo if you want, and most of the options are pretty straightforward. You can enable Google Fonts. I usually just disable these ones. I don't really use them. And here you can also add custom CSS if you want later. Just click Save. Most of the time I don't really need to do anything here. You can check the Performance tab here. You can enable or disable few things to perform Divi faster. But usually what I also do here is go to Builder, Advanced, and I enable the classic editor. Okay, so if it's not enabled, if you go to Post or Pages, it doesn't really matter, and click Add New One, you'll see this WordPress block editor. And I really don't like this. This is not very user-friendly. And if you have never used it, it can be kind of difficult to make heads or tail of this thing. But basically here you would just add a title, and then you can add blocks here like a paragraph or a list. But I really don't like this. So what I usually do is I go back to Divi theme options, I go to Builder, Advanced, and I enable this classic editor. And this is basically the editor that WordPress had before this new block editor. And now if I go back to Post or Page and click Add New, now I don't have that block editor. I have this old type of editor here. And I kind of like this better. But with Divi, you can use the Divi Builder to build pages, and you can also use the Divi Builder to build blog posts. So it doesn't really matter if you don't want to use this block editor anymore, because the Divi Builder is just much better. Okay, let's go back to the theme options. And here, basically, we don't really have to do anything else. I usually don't use these options very often. So I only use the logo option here. I just disable these few options. I enable the classic editor, and I just update these settings in the updates options here, so I can get an automatic update. Another important part of Divi is the theme builder. So if I go to the home page, we can see the default home page. But here in the theme builder options, we can create a lot of exciting things. We can create custom headers. So if you don't like this default header, you can use the Divi Builder to build complex headers. If you want, you can build a global footer. So if you don't like this default WordPress footer, you can create a custom one, and it will be displayed on all pages. You can create new templates for a lot of things. So for example, if I click here and I select build a new template, I can specify where this template should be used. As you can see, there are a huge number of places where we can use this theme builder. So I can attach a template to a specific page, a specific post, or posts with specific categories. So it's a really powerful thing, and we will take a closer look at this in the next video, where we are going to build a complete website with Divi. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer it. And thanks for watching.